we have to find sum of the squares of the first n natural number. Now basically what we have to find? We have to find Sn is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus square of 3 plus n square. Now what this will be? Now if you are just solving this part, we are getting first 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, like this it goes on. But if you see, this is neither of the series, neither AP nor GP nor HP, nothing is there. So we have to convert it first in some particular way. So for this, remember one thing, now I am going to use an identity here. Now I am having an identity, or I am taking an identity, sorry, it is x cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. If we are solving this, what we are getting? We are getting 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, and I am just writing here this is very important, and you have to, for solving this part, we have to go for this. Okay, now starting from this identity, okay, I can write here also using, let me write it using. Okay, now just go on putting some values for x here. Now putting x is equal to 1. Now what we are getting? We are putting x equal to 1 in the identity. Okay, so we are having 1 cube minus 0 cube is equal to 3 times 1 square minus 3 times 1 plus 1. Okay, putting x is equal to 2, 2 cube minus 2 minus 1, that is 1 cube is equal to 3 with 2 square minus 3 with 2 plus 1. Okay, let these be the series, first, second, x is equal to 3, 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 with 3 square minus 3 with 3 plus 1. Like this we can write number of series. Okay, then putting x is equal to n minus 1. Now we are taking x is equal to n minus 1. So we are having n minus 1 whole cube in place of x minus, now n minus 1 in place of x, so we are getting n minus 2 whole cube is equal to 3 with n minus 1 square minus 3 with n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, putting x is equal to n. Now what we are getting? N cube, n minus 1 cube, 3 with n square minus 3 with n plus 1, all the same, 1, 2, then n, like this one, all the series. Now adding vertically all the above written series. Now here you have to give a small check on it, what we are getting. So we are getting n cube is equal to, now check it, why n cube, just look here, n cube negative of n minus 1 whole cube plus n minus 1 whole cube negative of this one, so this and this cancels, similarly this and this cancels, like it goes on cancelling, this cancels with this one, this cancels with this one, so finally what is left? N cube is left. Okay, So now similarly this was left hand side. Now for the right hand side, this, sorry, we are having, okay, so 3n square. Then when you are opening this part, first one, then each and every terms will be cancelled and few terms are left, okay. Then what are the left terms, which terms are left, I am just going to tell you. So we are having n cube, this one, then 3 with 1 square plus 2 square plus like this plus n square, okay. You can expand it, expand all these things, and whatever the like terms are, cancel it with opposite signs, and what are the lefts, then make sure you are going with some proper brackets for it, okay. So we are having 1 square plus 2 square plus dash, then last is n square. After this one, then we will be having plus n, we are having n cube, sorry, it will be minus here, then next terms will be for negative, negative of 3, 1 plus 2 plus n and plus n. You will be getting this as a result, okay. If I am not wrong, you can just cross check it. If I am wrong, then you can do the right options, okay. So we are left with this all things. Now what this means, what this is Sn. I have already, this is Sn. So now can I write n cube is equal to 3 times Sn minus 3 times. Now this is the number 1 what we have done it, sum of n terms, okay. So 3 with n plus 1 upon 2 plus n, okay. Now what I am going to take, I will be just keeping this on one side and other terms on this side. So what we are getting, we will be getting 3 times Sn is equal to n cube, this one negative of n and positive of 3 upon 2 n plus 1. We are left with this part. Is it clear? Now let us solve this one. Now this is equal to, taking n common, we are left with n square minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 n with n plus 1, n minus 1 n plus 1 plus 3 upon 2 n with n plus 1. Now from this one and this one we can take n and n plus 1 common, okay. So what is left there, we are left with n minus 1 plus 3 by 2, n plus 1 with 2n minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. To this what we can write it, n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 3, or Sn is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 upon 6. Is it clear? So this is the required result. This is the required result. Is it clear? So using the sigma notation, using sigma notation, what I can write it? Summation for n square is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. For your convenience I have written like this, or you can go with n and 1, starting from n or 1. So this was the result for finding the sum of the squares of